Hello, good morning sa inyong lahat. Tulad na pangako, katatapos ko lang po mag-live sa aking YouTube channel about dito sa The Power of Aloe is Nature Intended, the new package of Forever Aloe Vera Gel. I'm so excited kasi nga sa pagdating nito kasi I'm interested aside na gustuhan ko yung ano niya, yung bottle niya is maganda po siya, 'di ba? Oh, parang social lang siya pag ginagamit mo. Anyway, so ayun na nga ano, pinakita ko doon kung papaano. Ayan, binuksan ko na siya. And katulad nga na sinabi ni Upline Power, Chris Santa Maria is one glass of water. Actually, kalahati na nainom ko siya. Iniwan yung kalahati for the purpose of this video. Ayan, gusto ko ipaalam sa inyo na katulad nga ay nabubulol po ako sa Tagalog. As like what I said before, this is the product that helps me to eliminate the stone in my kidney. So I already drink the half of this bottle. Actually, I use the clean 9 bottle, the shaker. So what I did before and what happened before is that I have a problem in my stone in my kidney, and with the help of this product, it helps me a lot to eliminate those stone in my kidney in a natural way. So this product, let me explain to you. Again, the Farp Aloe is nature intended. Before it is 97% only. Now it's 99.7 uh, percent. Parang dagdagan mo na lang. You add 0.2, it's already 100%. So it says here that it has a vitamin C, rich in vitamin C. It is gluten-free, sugar-free, no added preservative, IASC, International Aloe Science Council certified. When you ask the IASC what is their standard, it's a forever standard. So, ganun po yung pag-respect nila or pagbibigay galang nila sa standard of IASC, International Aloe Science Council. Kosher certified. I work in Israel for almost 7 years. I am a caregiver by profession, and without the kosher, those who are religious persons or they are what is the religious Judaism, I show respect with them. Without having the kosher certified or certification, they were not allowed to take any food without having a kosher certification. As like when I buy in McDonald's before, there's a kosher food. There's a McDonald's for kosher rating. I mean kosher certified. Without having that kind of certification, they were not allowed to take that kind of food. Okay, also to our brothers, Muslim brothers, there's also a halal certified. So, if you want, kung gusto nyo pong, Tagalog na lang po, sinasa Pilipinas po tayo. Anyway, for those my viewers who are in States, Canada, or in other part of Europe, you can avail this also. It is available in 165 countries worldwide. So if you want to buy one for yourself, you can try it for yourself and see the difference. Because this product helps me to eliminate stone in my kidney. Again, we have a different kind of situation. And again, I remind you to those viewers that we have consult your doctor first because our product has no uh, therapeutic claims. The one that I'm saying today is that this is my personal experience upon using this product. That's why I am now here in Forever Living Products. I start to use this product way back 2001 up to now. I'm still using it. Just got busy in my uh, present uh, calling in the church as a teacher in seminar as well as a leader in Zone 9 Central Signal Village. But definitely I'm still a manager in Forever Living Products International. I answer questions from email worldwide. And if you want to know more about this product, just message me or contact me in if you are from abroad, 00639618290705. you're in the Philippines, you can contact me, text or call on 0961-829-0705, and they will answer you. The number you dial is not yet in service at this moment. Please try call later. The operator is in the CR right now. Thank you. Just kidding. Anyway, if you dial or call or text to me, I will personally answer you. Okay, so again, this is, yeah, it's already hot, and I will drink it. For the first time drinkers of the aloe, it has the kind of taste of a little bit bitter, sour, if you're not get used to it. But as me, as uh, a regular user or drinker of these products, it doesn't matter what is the taste. What is important is what this product can do to your body. It helps us to eliminate the toxins in our body. It helps us to uh, cleanse our digestive system. Kasi nga kung marumi ang digestive system natin, syempre ang mangyayari is maapektuhan tayo. Sino ba mga ang mga famous na nagkaroon ng cancer sa di ba? Cancer sa, I call it, in their intestines, di ba? Di ba? The famous, who is that? Helen Bella, our late President Cory Aquino. Ilang pounds nang ang nakuha ka, especially kay Helen Bella, na hindi na ilalabas. Pero, alam niyo, di ba, may kaya naman sila, can do anything. Pero, that's why it's very important na alagaan natin ating sarili. Money can do nothing if we are not unhealthy. So, habang bata pa tayo, as like me, I am 57. 3 years ago, I'll become a senior. And because of this product, it helps me to become look younger. Promise, pag gumamit din kayo nito, especially with Royal Jelly, magmumukhang bata talaga kayo. There's a challenge, especially sa Royal Jelly, before and after. Pag take nyo nun, bago kayo gumamit, and after a month ang paggamit, makikita nyo ang difference. Again, back to tayo sa aloe vera gel. Malaking itulong nito sa akin. And also the aloe vera nectar with cranberry, apple. Medyo masarap po ang taste niya. Kung pihikan kayo sa panlasa, you better take aloe vera and peaches and aloe vera nectar. I don't know if the aloe mango will be available sooner here in the Philippines, but definitely malaki ang itulong nito sa akin para sa aking kalusugan, di ba? No matter kahit gaano ka kayaman, pag may sakit ka, ang hirap, because I'm a caregiver. I myself see and experience kung ano yung nararamdaman, especially yung matatanda na may mga sakit na ano yung kayamanan nila, hindi naman nila na-enjoy, di ba? Doon nga sa Israel, di ba? Bago ang tawag diyan, mamatay yung pasyente inaalagaan mo, yung mga anak nagpupulong nila kung ano yung makukuha nila sa parents nila. Kasi nga, wala na eh. Yung sakit nila parang, hinihintay na talaga silang, to pass away, para ganun. Pero kung maalagaan natin ang ating kalusugan, remember that health is wealth. Ito parang kaibigan lang para sa atin lahat, di ba? Kung bata ka pa na may sakit ka na, I'm thankful talaga, hindi ko parang nasa mga hospital. I'm very thankful talaga na napunta ako dito sa Forever Living Products because, diba, kung wala ako sa Forever Living Products, hindi ko nagamit to, siguro, ooperahan ako. Pero dahil nandito nga ako, I'm thankful sa taas na tinawagan ako ng ka-churchmate ko at mapunta ako rito. Again, isa lang to sa mga kwento ko. Again, our products has no therapeutic claim. I'm running out of time. It must be 10 minutes lang po yung inassign kung pagre-record ko. Maraming subukan nyo. Wala namang mawala sa inyo. Hindi nyo masusubukan na effective to kung hindi nyo susubukan. Try for self and see the difference. Ako, personal ako nagbibigay ng patotoo kasi ito yung naranasan ko at naramdaman ko. It's up to you if you will gonna listen to me. Remember that health is wealth. Kung may iba pa kayong katanungan, just leave a message. Thank you very much. God bless us all. Ano pa hinintay mo? Order na. Message me now.